Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video of the year, so happy late new year. We're gonna hop straight into today's video. We're gonna prime with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I believe I used the shade Mocha. And then for my first color, really all of my colors came from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. For some reason I didn't show all the colors, but literally all three colors that I used, I think I might have used four. All three or four colors I used came from this palette. So I did show you guys the one I'm using now though. I'm just packing that on both the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. So I went and grabbed my palette so I can tell y'all what colors I'm using, because I know for me personally, if I have the palette the person is using, I want to know exactly which colors they're using. So the first color is called Crazy, and then I went into Oh Hello, which is to the left of that color, and then this really bright pink color you guys see me using is called Positivity. Well, it's not a super bright pink, but it's more of a coral. Anyway, y'all see what I'm using, so that's the name of that. Down the center of my lid, I'm taking some more of that same Too Faced concealer, and I'm just gonna blend that out with this brush. The color that I'm using in the center is also from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's like the shimmery, I put the palette back now, I don't even know what the name of it is, but it's like the only like shimmery champagne-ish color that's in the palette. And then to apply my glitter, I'm going to use some of my Duo Lash Glue. And I'm just going to tap it in with my finger, because tapping it in with your finger gives it more of a messy type of look, I guess, versus it just being focused in one area, if that makes sense. I went ahead and applied my lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Mocha. This color is too light for me, but I really love the Too Faced foundation. Unfortunately, the shade that's darker than this one is too dark for me, so I would have to mix colors, and I don't want to do all of that. So I just kind of compromised and made it work, because I've been using this for a while, but yeah, it's definitely a little too light. I went ahead and contoured with my Black Opal foundation stick, and then I highlight underneath my eyes with the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade, I want to say Almond. I think it's Almond. I really love the Kylie Jenner concealer. I bought so many of them before they discontinued it, and I'm just so hurt that she discontinued them, because they're so good. And it's like the #1 concealer that I've found so far that does not crease really bad under my eyes. This translucent powder I'm using in the set is from Sistar Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys remember, but if you've been following me for like a year and a half or two, I did a video using all of their products, and this is by far still my favorite setting powder. And then I also went in and bronzed / set my contour with the Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. And I'm also using that same powder to contour my nose. And then I went back in. I added some eyeliner off camera, and then I also went and smoked out that very first color. No, the second color. So the second lightest color that I added to my lid, I added underneath my eyes. And for highlighter, we're using this Anastasia Highlighter in the shade Peach Fuzz. Or Peach Fizz. It's Peach Fizz, y'all. I'm lining my lips with this brown liner from NYX. I don't know the exact name of it, but this liquid lipstick I'm using is also from Anastasia, and it's in the shade Crush. Looking back at this though, I feel like I should have done a darker lip because my eyes were a little darker, but y'all, it's okay. But that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. All my videos this year will not be like this. I will be back in my normal setting at my desk. I just decided to record in the bathroom this day. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video.